Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to delete video background in CapCut. So to do that, let's head over to CapCut. So once you are in CapCut, head over to our projects that you have already did. And once in there, you can just go to edit. And here, scroll to the left and go to remove background and go to custom removal and select brush and then just remove the part you want to remove. So just tap on the tick mark, and as you can see, the removal is currently being applied. Here you can see applying feature. So yeah, once it is done, you can find it. So this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.